Falafel! These little bites are packed with flavor, they're surprisingly easy to make, perfect for a tasty snack or a satisfying meal. Let's get started. Ready for a culinary adventure? We'll guide you through it, step by step. It's all about fresh ingredients and simple techniques. Trust me, you can do this. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need dried chickpeas, not canned. This is crucial for the perfect texture. Onions and garlic add savory depth. Fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro bring brightness. Ground cumin and coriander provide warmth and spice. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper. A bit of baking soda helps create a light and airy texture. Feeling adventurous? Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a touch of heat. Now let's talk about the chickpeas. Soak them in plenty of water overnight. This helps them soften and blend easily. Once soaked, drain them well. Next, it's time to break out your food processor. Add the chickpeas, onion, garlic, herbs, and spices. Pulse until well combined. You want a slightly coarse mixture, not a paste. Time for the fun part, shaping. Form the mixture into small balls or patties. Heat some oil in a pan, not too hot, you don't want them to burn. Gently place the falafel in the hot oil. Fry them until they're golden brown and crispy. Serve them warm in pita bread with a dollop of creamy tahini sauce. Add some fresh vegetables for extra crunch and flavor. There you have it, your very own homemade falafel.